What's up, everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a little one for you, a little hit for you. Listen, we're gonna go over this Magnum. I do want to talk about how cool this Magnum is. First off, the color. I did ask the guy exactly what the particular color is, but he made it. So I want to say it's like an aqua, turquoise, teal, all of that with a white base. So if you guys want to know more information about it, you definitely got to follow the owner of this car. And then he has 30-inch wheels here, chromed it out. Actually did like this blue, the same blue in between, and then added a little bit of pink. Looks super cool. And I like that he did the same exact pink, obviously with details when you're doing a custom car. He brought that same like pink looking onto his mirrors, and he kind of trimmed it out too, so it looks really good. This is like a nice hit, like in a making that you put together, so I do like it. I like what he did with it. I like the color, so yeah. What's up, it's Superior Shelby here, coming to y'all with a new hot product from Clean It Right Auto. Bling Bling aluminum acid wheel cleaner. Yes, this is gonna get all of your rims super clean. And look at the label. It looks super cute. And rest in peace, Mario. This is my good friend here. This is his truck, so rest in peace. So I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. So all we gotta do is super simple, is spray it down. Woo. Now let's spray it. You guys, so as you can see, the after from before, my rim was a bit dirty, but super easy. If you want this particular product, the Bling Bling aluminum acid wheel cleaner, which is super cool here. Rest in peace, Mario. Like I said, this is my homeboy's truck. And if you want any other Clean It Right Auto Care products, make sure you visit cleanmyrims.com or follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. Okay, I will talk to you guys soon. Peace. What's up, everybody? Superior Shelby here, and this is my first time ever reviewing a bike, right? But I could not let this go. When I seen this, I had to review it. Today we're actually going to review a 2019 RoadGlide Harley-Davidson, super smooth ride on them 30s, matching wheels at that. We're going to go over all the custom features my cool guy has for his Harley-Davidson and more. So let's check it out. I have my good friend Ian here. What's up, Ben?
What's going on? How you doing?
I'm good. It's a little hot out here.
It's bacon.
Yeah. But I do want to review this beautiful baby here that you have. Where I'm from, I'm used to Harleys, okay? But I'm not used to them being this fixed up. They actually do snap though. I ain't even gonna cap, but you snap with everything. My first question to you is, why did you buy this Harley-Davidson? Why did you buy a Harley-Davidson in general?
Ain't nothing else harder. Why not?
Yeah. But this is so dangerous. Oh my God, I'll be so scared. I'll be so scared. And then the color. What is this color? Like, this is super cool.
It's pretty much just like a collaboration my paint man put together. I wanted a color nobody else had.
Right.
You know, eventually they'd get it, but
yeah.
For this year, they didn't have it. You know what I mean?
They're not having it. I wanted to say it was like an outrageous, but it's not really that, because it has more of that blurple into it. Yep. So it's so nice. I hope you guys get the chance to see this in person. It looks super good. These flips of colors is super dope. And then also I want to talk about like your other features you got, because you do have a touchscreen here.
Yep.
So this, you said it automatically comes with.
Yeah, the new bikes come with it.
Yeah,
you know?
the new ones. Yeah, you gotta have some. You gotta get a new bike.
Yeah, you gotta get a new bike. You can't do no 04 and fix it. But that's the same.
You know how they do.
It's a little different. Yeah, this bike been like this since 19.
Yeah, this not, oh okay, yeah. This is super dope. Everything's nice. DG dash. So you get this is digital.
Digital
right?
dash, navigation.
Oh my God.
Front and rear air ride.
Oh my God, this is so nice. And then I do want to talk about your matching rims, right? So come on over here. So you do have this big 30-inch rim here. What are these called?
They're RC components.
RC components.
Yeah.
And this is like a hot rim for like.
That's a name brand wheel for Harleys.
For Harleys.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. For sure. Yeah. Oh my God, it looks so good. Super chromed out. I like how everything is chromed though. Yeah. You know, like all the little pieces. That's details. That's how it's supposed to be. So yeah, I want to take it for a ride.
Let's go. Let's go. So you guys, if you have enjoyed my ride, this really cool car, not even a car review, this bike review, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel for me, please. And if you want to see any more pictures of this bike, any custom bike, car, truck, SUV, whatever it is in the nation and land, make sure you visit aswift.net. That's aswift.net, don't you ever forget it. And until next time, you know what it is. I'm Superior Shelby checking out. Peace!